Many people don't realize there's a connection between the Y, T and J perm. In this video I'll be explaining how. So what are these algorithms basically? Well, they are part of the CFOP method, and well, what is the CFOP method? Basically it's an acronym. It stands for cross, that's the C, the F is F2L. So you kind of pair up this corner and edge, and you put them in these 4 slots. That's not what I'll be covering today, and I won't be covering OLO, although this is the 3rd step. We solve the top in 1 step, and the step I will be covering today is PLO, or permutation of the last layer. So that's what these 3 algorithms are part of. So what do these algorithms actually do? Well, the J perm, which goes like this, it swaps these 2 corners and these 2 edges. The T perm goes like this. It swaps these 2 edges and these 2 corners. If you draw them like lines, you can see it kind of makes a T. That's why it's called T. And Y perm, which is the longest out of the 3, goes like this. It's 17 moves, and it swaps these 2 diagonal corners and these 2 edges. So I think you can tell by looking at each algorithm that it does a corner swap of some sort and an edge swap of some sort. Okay, another reason why the J perm and T perm are similar is the algorithms themselves. You can just look at them and you can see the first 4 moves of the J perm are literally the same last 4 moves of the T perm. And basically, then that means the other moves, they're literally the same thing as well. Okay, let's look at how the Y and T perm are similar. Well, as you can see with the Y perm, I've kind of split it in half, or not really, because the first half has 9 moves and the second half is 8. But that doesn't really matter because the T perm is literally just rearranging those halves one after the other. Wait a minute, I hear you say. I thought the T perm looked like this. Well, I can tell you that these algorithms are actually the same thing. Let me tell you. So basically, let's look at the brackets in the middle of that algorithm. We'll just get them out of here. And now you can see in between what was those brackets, and then just outside of them, you will see a front clockwise and a front anti-clockwise move, and those 2 moves, when doing together, they cancel each other out. So there's no use of having them both in next to each other. So we can just take them out and we'll have no problem. And then what you'll see is we turn the right side clockwise and then the right side clockwise again. So that means we can just write twice, so basically R2, because that's the same thing. And then now you can probably see that it's the same thing. I'm sure many people know about this as well, but most people don't know about it. And in this video, sometimes I say J perm. What I actually mean is JB perm. If you look at the example that I stated earlier when I did the J perm, that's actually the JB perm. The JA perm is essentially a mirror, so they're actually 2 different things. So that's really what I mean. And if Y and T perm is similar and T and J perm is similar, that means Y and J perm is similar. Well, basically, they're essentially all 17 move algorithms, but those cancellations from the T perm from earlier is what I was make it to a 14 move algorithm. So thanks for watching, and there is something particular about this video that's happened in pretty much all of my other videos that did not happen in this video. Can you figure it out? I'll pin the whatever. Alright, see you next time.